Hello all, welcome to my channel Market Wisdom. So today in this video we will see what is the behind scene magic going on right now. Okay, so behind scene means I mean to say we will check the open interest analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty both. We'll quickly look at the charts, and we'll also look at the FI and DI data. So in Nifty, this is monthly contracts, monthly expiry. So here we can see huge call writing everywhere, means this green bars over here in the change in open interest area, these are indicating fresh call writing at all the levels, even at 17400 as well. So many call writing took place, and PE unwinding took place and at these levels like 17500, 17600. Obviously the put writers must be in a panic because we saw such a drop in the Nifty. So this is for the current month. Let's look at the next month expiry, monthly expiry, that is 30th of December. That is interesting to see over here. So what's happening over here? So you can see in this case, change in open interest, there is a huge call writing took place at 17,500. So that indicates fresh, call writing happened at all the levels in the even next week, next month as well. So not only in current month, in the next month also we can see fresh call writing. And in case of put writing, what we can see, somewhat put writing seen in the next month weekly monthly option, that is 17,200 and 17,100 and 1,700. So some straddles are also sold at 1,700. So that's interesting thing. And put unwinding also happened at 17,500. So they must be panicked by seeing 17,200 level in in today's session itself. Still there is a month to go, so how much panic they must be in, right? So this is what the data shows. Let's look at the next weekly expiry quickly. What is the situation over there? So here also some put writers are still holding 17,500. What it's suggesting for Nifty call writing case, just call writers everywhere. Okay, so anything near to 17,500 is still a selling opportunity. That's what is shown by the Nifty open interest analysis. Let's look at the Bank Nifty quickly. In Bank Nifty, if you see this monthly expiry, call writing everywhere, same picture, nothing changed. So that is okay, on same lines as our Nifty. Let's look at the next weekly expiry for Bank Nifty. Here also fresh call writing we have seen, and 37,300 is the highest call writing, so that will act as a resistance on high level. That's what I'm saying. Let's look at the next month expiry. Here we can see, yeah, fresh call writing 37,500. So in Nifty 17,500, and in Bank Nifty 37,500. So these are overall we are looking it as a resistance. That's what we can come up from the open interest analysis. And for support, 37 is looking okay kind of support for Bank Nifty. So that's what we can interpret from the open interest analysis. Let's look at the charts. Actually nothing to see in the chart. Already we have seen such a drop in the market, but let's quickly have a look. It already, I have drawn this support at 37,100, but it already went down. This is 1 hour chart. Let's look at the daily candle. On daily candle, it is, yeah, this was the last support that I have drawn some time back, which is around 37,100, and it exactly touched that level. And let's see how it goes. Dark red candle over here we can see, right? So that's today's candle. But yeah, it is definitely at good support level. Here we saw some support in the past, some resistance over here. So ideally it should spend at least some time between 37,000 to 37,500. Okay, so that's the analysis on Bank Nifty side. If we look at, and if the Nifty side, if you look at, yeah, this was the chart which I was giving from some last few days. It was zigzag manner, and when it broke at this particular level, then it was supposed to go down, but was not expecting this much of big drop in the Nifty, right? So it's anyway, this is, let's say, daily candle in Nifty. I'm specifically looking at a daily candle today right now because the Nifty analysis I will do, Nifty Bank Nifty level analysis for intraday I will give it tomorrow. Not today. Just trying to see where we can head towards after this much fall. So if we look at over here, this particular line 17,900 to 200, so that is still looking like a support for us. At least this area over here tested once, and then now it is testing again. Okay, so let's see if it spend some time over here. It has fallen down, it came over here like this, it tried to make some bounce, but forcefully it came down, and let's see if it hovers over here for some time, and if it goes above 17,500 we can see a good move. If it goes again 17,820, today's 17,280 today's low, then we can see more drop in the index. So that's what we have in the charts on the Nifty. Let's look at the daily activity for FII DII. So this is stockage. Here I'm seeing FII data. So FII 3,400 sell in the cash market, and DI 2000 crore bought in the cash market. If you see index option, they have bought lot of options, index options, stock futures, stock options. There is a huge buying took place in this particular area for FII in index options, index stock futures and stock options, and even index futures also they bought something. So although they are selling in cash market, they might be going long in the options. Not sure, maybe we will check tomorrow's action, but maybe this data will help us in tomorrow's day to read like whether it is going up, then are they going to cover their position in index options and stock future. So that's the interesting thing to look for tomorrow. So yeah, that's what we are. So in Nifty today, only 8 stocks up and 42 were down, and all the indices and sectors were almost on the red color we have saw. Yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see tomorrow morning at 8 AM with Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Thank you.